MyDay has massive experience in the manufacturing of highly efficient, heavy-duty oil country lathes. This is the 3-meter bed multifunction lathe that has been a massive hit with MyDay's global customers. With a single-piece, rigid cast base, heavy cutting rigidity is not an issue for this machine. And MyDay adds a third rail on the operator side of the machine to further enhance its stability under heavy loads. This machine allows fast, easy operation and the precision cutting you need to work with the many automated features provided. The extra-wide spindle bore on this machine provides a range of options from 6 to 30 inches for large pipe, and coupled with its 12-step gearbox provides high-torque heavy cutting with simple-to-use controls. On the slide, the heavy-duty 4-way pin-locking tool post provides easy forward and reverse swiveling movement. It also ensures safety in cutting and provides secure positioning without slippage, delivering the accuracy you demand. Now let's take a look at the key operational functions of this machine that have made it a real winner in this competitive market. Taper cutting is one of the mainstays of this type of machine, and the super simple setup for ID/OD taper delivers the cut accuracy you need without requiring advanced operational skills. The MyDay Oil Country lathe delivers highly accurate threading with fast return functions for a quick, accurate thread cut. The hydraulic pneumatic threading rapid threading device makes threading operations faster, simpler and much more precise, and is a must-have function on this type of lathe. This makes this machine the perfect lathe for oil pipe machining. The real test of any machine is its heavy cutting performance, and as we can see on this machine, the MyDay Oil Country lathe easily handles these heavy cutting requirements with the combination of high torque drive system, rigid structure and super steady tool post for the deep, smooth cutting time after time. Repeat profiling is a key function for enhancing your productivity in large production runs, and MyDay's hydraulic repeat profile attachment really delivers the cutting accuracy and simplicity you need, allowing you to easily handle a huge range of profile cutting operations. Thus, with this MyDay lathe, you have all the functionality of a CNC-operated lathe, but without the complex operational requirements. The copy device on this MyDay oil pipe lathe provides high accuracy and a massive range of OD machining, with up to 10 inches of travel providing the best possible copy function for the oil and metalworking industries. With MyDay's 30 years experience delivering high-quality, durable oil country lathes to the industry, they really know what customers want. The My-Day oil country lathes are industry pioneers, and they have developed a highly versatile and simple to operate oil country lathe that will provide years of rugged precision service and will be a huge benefit to any industry workshop.